Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to talk about anniversary models and years for those. It's a little Mustang trivia. Now, first of all, a lot of times Ford will make a Mustang, and for that model year that has the anniversary, they put a badge on the side that says 35th anniversary or 40th anniversary, and it goes on just about all models except for the Cobra. But then they also have anniversary packages, which is a different thing. Okay, to all my Mustang fans, here's a little trivia for us today. So the Ford Mustang, what year did it come out, right? Everybody's going to tell you 1964 and a half. Well, that's when it debuted, but they were actually 1965 model years, just like how you get your early build cars that are for the next model year. Now, Ford has kind of gone back and forth on when they have the anniversaries. So this even precedes this in the Fox body. There were other additions, but we're going to just start in 1999 with the New Edge Mustang. So it had this badge here, said 35th anniversary for 1999. Okay, but if you look at it, 1965 plus 35 more years would have been the year 2000. We celebrated it early in 1999, right? Then 1965, we had a 40th anniversary. This is the fender badge. Okay, and this was on the New Edge as well. Now that really should have been in 2005. We celebrated it in 04. Okay, so we say, okay, maybe they're just, celebrating it from the time it debuted, not really when the first model year was, right? Now, there was another one for 09. It had a horseshoe logo for the 45th anniversary, and it came out on 2009 Mustangs, even though it really should have been 2010. Now, then we changed our minds, I guess, or Ford did. Here is the 2015 Mustang. I got this at the anniversary showdown in Vegas. So they celebrated 50 years in 2015. Okay, well, that's when they should have celebrated it, right? And then there's a 60th anniversary, and I'll put a picture up of that one. Right now, you can go get the 60th anniversary Mustangs for the model year 2025. So here's the window sticker to show you 2025, and it's the 60th anniversary. So it is a package that's currently being offered right now. The badges all over it too show you that it's 60 years. So this one is going off of the 1965 model year. So tell me what you guys think should be the real year that we're celebrating in anniversary. So just thought that was kind of interesting. What year do you guys think we should consider the first year of the Mustang? Should it be 1964 and a half when it was first debuted, and you could have them out on the street in the late 1964, or should we go off of the production model year 1965? Let me know. Thanks, guys.